I'm kind of lost here. Is the ring still there? Fucker, I saw one run uphill. Nope.
Yep.
Bogan, can you make it up there? I have too many hoses and everything else.
Chance my wig's gonna get caught in this shape through that.
Not a chance, no.
Not there, fucking come straight off me.
Oh, okay. Do you actually see anybody?
Actually scared the shit out of me there. What's that?
Do you actually see anybody? Oh, yes, you do. Oh!
I did see somebody up there.
That was close. I don't know what to do. Eh? I'm wearing green, so I think it's best I go up there rather than black and white.
I'm a fucking
Target.
Do you want to move here?
I don't know. Oh, your tail.
Huh?
Tail's muddy as fuck.
Oh, lovely. I can love the tomato.
Looks like you've absolutely shat yourself.
That's why I just got the paint off.
Is that boy in brown hut dead?
I don't think so.
No, well, wasn't that? You're a marshal, you can't tell me.
Yeah, it's too good. We're dripping nice now.
No, he's alive, I think I am.
Yeah, there is a couple, there was a few of them up there that was fair. We're
Yeah.
fighting up through that one section.
It's not gonna be fun.
Sunlight.
Do you want to catch on?
I don't know how that one turned. But I took it.
Yeah. Do you have a plan? Oh fuck! Ah, good kill. Welcome. Nope. But I watched you die. No one's approached. Where'd you get shot from? Okay.
Behind it or is there after?
Unknown. Oh, fucking water. My butts have lost their waterproofing a while ago.
Oh.
How far down am I looking? I'm 100% being shot at.
What are you even dressed as? Oh, grenade! Either a house invader or a flasher, take your fucking pick.
We are on Infinite Lives, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh fuck, you died. Ooh. You were at Brown Hut, weren't you?
What?
You were at Brown Hut, weren't you?
No, down the bottom.
Oh, okay, never mind
I'm
then.
down the bottom one.
Were you not wearing a bathrobe?
Yes.
Oh, who the fuck's up there then?
Losing about 3 stone of weight and deciding that I'm going to take a heart attack means might not be the best of fucking ideas as well.
True, true. One of them died there though.
Aye, one of them just perished.
How many is there?
Far left. We have guys on the far left.
Okay. They don't have a lot of cover here.
We could start pushing down, helping out.
Where's the ring?
They must have it down in the village. They might just be clearing out their area.
Friendly or enemy? In the village?
God knows.
Okay.
Don't go past that brown hut. No, we're not going to buy it. Shoot him if he does.
Who's a confident shot with a good scope?
With a good.
How much zoom is that?
A lot.
Do you see the respawn to the left?
Fuck all at the moment.
You'll see one walk out shortly. He just went in.
There's ghosts. Oh, not bad. That's not a good.
Oh, fucking good kill!
I got 2 of them.
Good kill, thank you! He's dead, he's dead. Oh, in the nipple! Ow!
We're not there.
Ow, ow, ow. Do you know bomb building where you put the dynamite?
Yeah.
Yeah, in there one. Good kill, good kill! Batman's on our team.
So Batman, a leprechaun, priest and nuns, we're fucked.
You want to move up because it looks clear as it's going to be? And I'll just cover your back. I'll cover your screen if you want to cover that.
Reloading, mate.
Okay. Ah, good kill!
Alright lads, move up, next cover.
Red and white, he said, red and white.
You going or am I going?
Got him!
Fucking missed him, I heard that.
I got him in the face though. The other guy there.
Oh, he's alright.
Yeah. Those boys arguing. Oh fuck.
Another one down, another one down.
Two covers.
Two covers in front of us.
What colour?
Red and white cover.
Okay.
I got him.
Where the fuck's the ring, boys? Oh, good kill! I learned drive.
What are you doing, lessons?
£35 now.
Much?
35.
Fuck off.
I know.
How much it is for a
It was
lesson?
fucking 20 when my man was doing it.
No. I got, see when I was doing my lesson, my first 5 was 15, and then any after that there was 20. I took 2 after. 7 lessons I took.
7. Fucking, I'm hoping for that. But
Have you got your theory? No, do that first.
know.
Do your theory first.
That's what people can tell me. How you doing, T-Bone? Counting to 60. Because, eh? Fuck that hell.
Thank God the marshal said to go.
No, I was going to get number 3 1 and 10, but fuck it, you're not even counting, so go.
Language now. One on our left got killed in tower, crawling across. Pokemon. In mid tower, mid tower. God damn it! I could see his hat there. It's Pokemon Master or Ash Ketchum or whatever fucking we call him.
Didn't gather them.
Ah! I was so close. All I saw was a sweet.
Right, folks, so Emma picked out who she thought was the best vest, or the one that made her laugh the most. So she picked out what he called a best vest, right? So we've got 2 prizes set up for whoever it is. Mihal, you've won second.
Oh, nice.
Yeah? So come on up here, right? So what we're going to do for second. Being a short woman, she changed her mind, right? So you can go with alcohol or fucking diabetes.
Oh, alcohol.
Alcohol.
Alright.
Right? So you have whatever, Shiraz,
There you go.
Or-
Prosecco.
goat. Hang on.
That's Prosecco.
Prosecco.
Shiraz.
Right, go on ahead.
That's a giraffe.
Dead goat.
Wine man.
He has to do the dance. He has to do the dance.
Yeah!
Right on.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
This is so totally not cool.
You don't even go here.
Now we're going to start on the raffle tickets, right? Whenever the ladies are ready. It's all in one bucket, isn't it?
Everybody put a mag in and shoot Ben O'Donnell twice in the ass.
No, hang on. I've got to distract them.
Very good.
Come back. Shoot. Do you not shoot a Marshall?
Hey, no more. You're a fucking fat rat. Fat bastard.
But if you shoot me, shoot me in the chest because it doesn't hurt.
With the knee pads.
Finish tested. Stand up back a bit more. it's a lot more scarier.
He never had you
Right there. Yeah.
You seen him
Do you
shoot?
have any sort of small...
Yes!
You have a
My
sm-
packs!
Oh.
It's a pack
small
of bull!
object.
Hey, get it?
Yeah, I was gonna say a lot of mud.
Yeah,
Chest, Pee Wee, not the dick.
kind of
Chest.
fell.
Ah! My finger!
Oh, can I not take that off?
Bastard!
Oh, you have something sticking it to you.
The chest!
Fuck.
was on the chest.
Ah!
I have grenade pins, but they're in a grenade.
That make kiss it better. I mean...
Oh,
Just steals an object from someone.
you have grenade pins in here, don't you?
I should do, yeah, I don't know.
There's one.
Sorry about that.
Where'd you get him?
Many do you need?
Just the one. His entire barrel's full of mud. Who's Brown Hut? Us or them? Brown Hut, I heard shots. I'm assuming friendly.
You going up there?
Oh, that is friendly. Do you need help? I'm dead.
Fucking Tom! Straight ahead! Straight ahead! Come on, let's go. Hey, go!
Oh no! Do you see up there? In the trees? There's like 4 wee pillars. I shouldn't you know?
I mean, I'm getting shot at now.
Yeah. You can hear him.